Step into the 2015 BMW X3 xDrive 28i. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle is constructed with the discerning driver in mind. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. BMW prioritized handling and performance with features such as one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a power rear cargo door, and seat memory. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.